We're gonna try to get Skylar's bumper on and his fuel tank put on today as well. Depends on how much time we have. We're working on Mrs. fuel tank now. This tank, it's gonna hold roughly about 95 gallons. Is what we got in mind. Finally decided to show up, but all strength here, he had to go roll 4 houses this morning. That's why he's just now getting here to help us put fuel tanks on.
Got to turn it down some. Get the welder.
Put it on 80.
Good?
Yep. Got a lot of gap in there.
We will. Guess it is what it is, ain't it?
It is what it is.
Really need a dang.
I can let it dang you stand right here and weld it. Stuff's probably gonna fall on your bed though.
This ain't no good. This ain't no ideal. No ideal deal, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Here, I'm gonna sacrifice your shirt for the bed.
Yeah. Sit there. Drape the whole thing over it. There you go.
Shirt's a lot cheaper than the bed is.
I'd like to kind of run a, I'd like to run a pass on that under here.
Well, it'll take just a minute.
Yeah, cut the heat down a little lower. And if it falls on my head, call 911. Helamente.
What?
Where did it go?
Oh,
Gotta have a helmet. What'd you turn the heat down to?
85.
Alright. Oops. Somebody stabilize this tank.
You gonna weld on the bottom of the other ones?
You can't, yeah, we had to.
No, I just wanted to see that this side of the tank's made different.
I got you.
So that's a 7-gallon air tank, and we'll plumb into it from the compressor. Hold that thought, pal. Okay. No drink. We need to go get that pump and put it on. You might as well crank up. Hold on. You might as well crank up. You gotta come forward, I think. Let the tilt down. Hold on, wait. Okay. Come on down.
That side needs to go back.
Huh?
Or this side needs to go in.
Now the whole tank over pick up just a little bit. It just let it down. It's whoa. We can fine adjust it from there. That's gonna be really close. That's gonna be extremely close. Back this tractor out from over.
You say put it in forwards and floor it?
I like to do
Brand new truck and only drilling holes in it.
it. Drill a hole in the fuel tank accidentally. That bed metal sure is easier to drill than that thick steel, ain't it?
It sure is. You want to get these 2 bolts in and then drill the outsides, or?
We're gonna cut these in. We're gonna have to make a plate to go across from under there so it don't snatch a hole in the bed like it did on silver. Remember how we did yours?
Yeah, I think that plate right here is
That's
gonna be
what I
long
bought that
enough.
plate for.
Yeah.
We just have to measure it and see. Come on, right there, see it. Let's I grind that link down. This is my truck, so I've got that's the older Airpak. We put it on today. That's a custom fuel tank in there. It's gonna carry about 90 gallons of fuel, and it's got a 7-gallon air tank over here in the side that I'm gonna plumb the Airpak into for it to have some storage and help kind of drain some of that moisture off there. Got a pretty good bit of room in between it and the cab. I'll probably put the air hose reel on this side, and I'm gonna put the weld. I got a welding lead reel. I'll probably put on the other side if there's enough room. So that's the front. You just reach up here and crank it, do whatever you got to do. So that'll be where you put fuel in. That'll be where the pump's gonna go, right over there on the edge. This tank is built out of quarter wall plate. It's got 2 baffles in it. It's really heavy made. Those that welder there, man, that thing weighs like 700-800 pounds. I think it takes a lot to hold it up. But you just, you won't ever have any problems with a tank like that. If you do bump it with a gooseneck or something, or have something in the back of the truck, it rolls against it, it's not going to, smash it like one of the silly tanks you get, from the store. But, I don't know, like to mount some torch bottles in here. Not sure how I'm going to go about that yet. Anybody got any ideas? Put it in the comments down below.